So in our previous classes, we studied about joining two tables and we studied inner join. Okay. So today we will study about left join and right join also. To understand left join and right join, I will create a very simple Excel table to explain. This is, let's say this is our categories table. So where we have cat ID, cat name. This is about a superstore. Cat ID is given as 1, 2, 3. Let's say cat name is furniture, dairy, electronics. These are the three tables. These are the three categories. Here we have products table. And let's say there is one more category here, fourth category. And this is, let's say, grocery or let's say fruits. Now we have products table where we have product ID. So I'm just writing as prod ID and prod name. Okay. Now there is product ID 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. These are some product name. Let's say we have table, chair. Then we have milk, ghee, curd, whatever you want to call it. Then we have TV, radio. And here I will write cat ID. So category ID is 1, 1, category ID is 2, 2, and category ID is 3, 3. Is this clear? Now we can clearly see that there are three categories. Okay. There are only three distinct categories in this table. Okay. So, and you can see here that, but there in our original table there are four categories. Okay. So in the original table there are four categories, but in our this table there are three categories only. Okay. I don't know what happened to the color. Yeah, I just want to color them. Yeah. So now you can see this fourth category is not present in our second table. Do you get this point? So if I will do a inner join, okay. Now suppose I ask you to show me product name and category name. Okay. If I ask you to show me product name and category name, so in that case, if I apply inner join, then only those categories will come which are common in both tables. So I am just writing it. In inner join, only those records will come which are present in both tables. So in inner join, only furniture, dairy and electronics will appear because these are only present. So here furniture will be written here, dairy, dairy will be written here, electronic will be written. But in inner join, fruits will not come because fruits is available only in category table. So we create a Venn diagram. Okay. So we create a Venn diagram. A Venn diagram is like a circular selection diagram which we have studied in set theory also. So let's say this is table 1, this is table 2. So in table 1 and table 2, whatever common values are there will appear. Only common values. Okay. This will show only common values. What is common between both? What are the common values between both? Category ID 1, 2 and 3. Yes or no? So between both, because only 1, 2 and 3 are there. Now if I say left join, okay, so this is like a inner join. This is inner join. If I say left join, so in case of left join, everything from the left table will come, okay, everything from left table and common value from right table. So only all the values from left table. So this is our left table. So for example, categories is left table. Okay, because categories is a left table. So everything from left table will come, but only common values from right table will come. This is products. This is our right table. So to make things interesting, I will add something here. I am adding a product ID 7. Let's say this product is glass. We don't have its category ID. Okay, it's empty. Let's say it's null. We don't have its category ID. So its category name is also null. Okay. So this table is our left table. This table is our right table. Okay. Because it is on our left hand side, it is on our right hand side. And how will we recognize that in SQL? I will just let you know. So in left table and right table, are there some uncommon records? In left table and right table, are there some uncommon records?
Yes.
Which records are
Furniture,
the? Yeah,
furniture, dairy, electronics are same. Common.
yeah. Only furniture, dairy, and electronics are same. So here common records will come. Okay. So in context of this, fruits is uncommon, right? Let's write here. Fruits is uncommon. And is there a product which do not have any reference in table A?
Glass.
Glass, right?
No.
Glass, because it does not have anything. Let me just remove this. So here glass or glass will come. Is it okay?
Yes.
So all commons are what?
Inner joints.
Inner join. So these are fruits, dairy, furniture. Okay, and all the products that are of fruits, dairy, and furniture. So sorry, fruits.
Electronics.
Yeah, fruit. Instead of fruits, it will be electronics. Sorry, it will be electronics. So this is these are the common ones, right? And from product side, all the product names that are common can be written here, like table, chair, radio, right? So these are the common records. Now the thing is, here in categories and product, we know these are uncommon. So in left join, so this is inner join, only this value will come, okay, black one. This is left join. In case of left join, what will happen? In case of left join, everything that is in left. So what is in left? Fruits, right?
Electronic chair.
Fruits, electronic, dairy, everything will come. Okay. So now let's go to our original table and add something. So here we have categories. So in categories we have 8 different categories. Okay. I am going to insert one category. Let's say I am adding fruits here. All type of fruits. This is just a basic description. Now how many categories are there?
10.
9. It is showing 10, but actually 9 is missing, right?
Yes.
So where we have up to 10, okay? So 1 to 10. So 1 to 8 are there, then 10, okay? In products table, if I have to find how many distinct categories are there, I will write select distinct categories, category ID from products. So from products I have found distinct categories. So here we have 8 distinct. How many distinct do we have here?
Overall, as per number 10, but one is missing 9.
9
Overall
are
9.
there. Okay. So here we have 8, here we have 9. Same situation, right? Here we have 4, here we have 3. Same situation, na? So what will come in common? 1 to 8, right? 1 to 8 will be common, yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And what is there in left table? 10, right? Now, is there a product that is from a category that is not there? So we don't have any such product, right? All product belong to those categories that are there in category table. Like in this example, we have a product that is not there in the primary table, right? But in our case, in our actual case, there are no products that are without a category. Do you get this? There are no products that are without category. So, and those categories are also 1 to 8, right? Because when we did distinct code, so sorry for the noise from there. So the thing is, if we write inner join that we did earlier, okay? So if we write select categories dot category ID products dot category ID, I'm writing from both, okay, comma products dot product name from
Um,
categories. So whatever we are writing in from is a left thing, okay. So whatever we write in from is left table. Will you remember this? So we are saying from categories, okay. From is left, and then we are writing inner join or join, same thing. So when we are writing inner join products, okay, then this becomes right. Do you get this? This becomes right. So from categories, So when we are writing from categories join product or inner join product, so basically these are, this is left and this is right. Okay, so just remember whatever we are writing it with from is left, and whatever we are writing with join is right. Just a way to remember. Okay, so you will write from A inner join B. So when we are doing this, what will be in on, whatever is common between them. So we'll write categories dot category id equal to products dot product id. Okay, oh sorry, products dot category id. So because this is both same, and now this will give us this information. Now here let me do it for 250 rows. Here you are seeing 1 1 1 2 2 2 3 3 7 8. Are you seeing 10 here?
No, sir.
You are not seeing 10. Why are you not seeing 10? Because it's a inner join. Okay, in inner join from both tables only those IDs will come which are common. So this is this is category ID from categories, this is category ID from products, and only common values will come. Is it okay? But if I write left join, okay, because I have written from categories, so you let's check 500. 50 will also be there. Is 10 coming? You can see. So from categories table 10 is coming, but it has no matching values. That's why null is coming here. So left join will give us all category IDs from left table, and but that particular ID, if it will not have any matching records, it will give null as output. For category ID 4, why are we not seeing null here? Why are we not seeing null for category ID 4? Why are we not seeing null for category ID 4? Are you getting my question?
सर ये कैटेगरी आईडी रिपीटेड क्यों हो रही है 1 2 3 4 5 6 7? ऐसा क्यों
Because
नहीं है ये तो
because
it is
because every product belongs to mul like multiple products belong to single category. That's why it is being repeated.
बट सर आप बोले थे कि इसका कैटेगरी आईडी इट इज प्राइमरी की इट इट वन है
Right?
ओके
So
ओके समझ सकते सर
if chai is coming, then one will be written. Chang is coming. It is not a question of primary key or anything here. We are not creating a table. We are finding out records and what is their category ID. We are finding out that. Now my question was, why are we not seeing null in front of 4? Because for category ID 4, we have many products. Why will we see null?
No,
If
sir.
if I write here select star from products where category ID equal to 10, are we seeing any records?
No,
ओके
If I write where category ID is equal to 4, are we seeing any records?
yes.
Yes,
In
11 records, right? So in left join, it will show all the records of your left table, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. Right? Every category that is there. Because in categories we have 10 records. How many, oh, sorry, we have 9 records, 1 to 10, right? So it will show us all these records. But Since we don't have any matching record for category ID 10, it will show null there. Do you get this? It will show null there. Let us create a simple project. Okay, this is join test. This is students. How many students are there?
Four.
Four students.
4. Okay, they are in class 10A, 10B, 10A, 10C. Of how many students do we have grades?
Maybe
Three
three.
students.
3 students, right? We have grades of 3 students. Let me open them side by side. How, now you see and compare what are the common IDs between our left table and right table. First of all, which one is left?
Student
Student.
ID.
Students is left, right? Here student ID 1, 2 is there, right? Yes or no?
Mm. Yes, sir.
Yes.
So student ID 1, 2 is there. Here also student ID 1, 2 is there, right? See? So they when we will inner join, okay? This is for inner join, yes or no?
Yes.
If I will apply inner join, I will be able to see only these two records. But if I will apply left join, okay, let me use a different color. If I will apply left join, all these records, okay, left, all these records will appear and only matching from here, okay. So this is left. Is it okay or not? But when I will apply right, let me choose a different color. Let's select orange color. So in right join, okay. Oh, sorry, I have made a mistake. So in right join, all the records from this table, okay, and only matching records from this table. What are the two matching records? 1 and 2.
One and two.
So this one will come in right. So in right, we will see 1, 2, 5. In left, we will see 1, 2, 3, 4. And in common, we will see that. So let's write. In inner, we will see 1, 2. In left, we will see, what will we see? Let me know.
Left. One, two, three, five.
1, 2, 3, 4. लेफ्ट में देखो ना.
Fourth answer.
और राइट.
1, 2, 5.
1, 2, 5. One, is this clear?
Yes, sir.
Diagram is very
Now,
clear, sir.
now let's apply them. So I want to see all data from table A, all data from table B. Okay. So easiest way is select students dot star, okay, comma grades dot star. Is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Like we are selecting everything from table A, everything from table B. And if you want to select specific columns, what will you do? So you will write select students dot name, students dot class, and from grades let's select everything. Okay. From what?
Students.
Because on left we have considered students, so we will write from students, right? Then inner join, inner join
Grades.
what? Grades,
Grades.
because we don't have any other table. And
On
on what?
student dot student ID.
Students dot student ID equal to
Equal grades dot student ID.
grades dot student ID. And remember, in some cases, it may be a possibility that these two column names are different, but their meaning is same. Okay.
Yes.
So when we will do this, because we applied inner join, what student's ID are we seeing?
AB.
1, 2. See,
Yeah.
you are seeing grades. Student ID 1, 2, right? If I will apply left join, so in left 1, 2, 3, 4 both will come, all will come, and because for student ID 3 and 4 we don't have any grades, so null will come. See, so basically Alice, Bob, Charlie and Diana all are coming, and because we want to see that ID also, so we will write from students dot
Student ID.
student ID. I think I have written some wrong spelling from students. Let me check. Maybe spelling mistake. So here you can see from left table all 1, 2, 3, 4 are coming. From right table only 1, 2 are coming. Okay. And here you can see. So this is left join. And if I will just write right join, in your query you only have to replace inner, left, right. Okay. And when you will do this, so 1 to 5 are coming, right? So this is your answer. So similarly, in our Northwind database, because in our Northwind database, in products and categories case, originally, because in your case fruits is also not there, right? So originally they have 8 categories here, and you have 8 distinct categories here. So whatever join you apply, you will get the same result. Do you get my point?
Yes.
Because you have same records in both tables, right? So in case of Northwind, it is like a circle, like this circle. All the records are within this circle itself. But that's why for your reference, I have given another example, and try to create that. Like try to create a student table, a grade table, and link them like this. Don't apply foreign key. There is so I have not applied any foreign key constraint. Now, if I apply a foreign key constraint, okay, then we cannot write 5 here. Do you get my point? Because if a foreign key constraint is applied, this 5 will be invalid student ID, right? This is not a valid student ID. Is it a valid student ID? student IDs are only 1, 2, 3, and 4, right? So this 5 is not a valid student ID. So that's what foreign key constraint does. Foreign key
Why?
constraint,
Why? Why
yeah.
is not? Because it is a unique idea.
No, do you see any 5 here,
Yes.
right? So if I ask you whose grade are this?
No.
For
Others.
1 and 2 you know, na? For 1
Yes.
and 2 you know that Alice
One.
has got A and Bob has got B. But who has got A? This 5. Who is this 5?
No.
Do you know this? So this is an invalid ID, right?
Yes. So
That
that it,
means it's a
it
mistake. Yes.
okay.
But still, let's say for some reason there is a student, maybe it is available in some other table or whatever, but that this is how your left, right, and inner join will work, right? You will be able to recognize that in table left that we are writing with from, right? Whatever we write with from, that is important. So that becomes left, right, or something. So, like for example, when I did this, or even whenever you are doing it in our case, north wind, it will not matter because in north wind actually we have the data. But let us check how many different or how many distinct customers do we have? 91. You can check here, right? If I ask you how many distinct customers have ordered the products?
Very that.
No, these are all, these are total number of orders. But you will write select distinct order ID from product. It's just like doing count and distinct count in Power BI, right? So here, s- sorry, I have given order ID. So select distinct customer ID from order. How many? 89. Do you see? How many customers are there? 91. That means two customers are there who have not given any orders. So if I write select customers dot customer ID comma
Order.
customers dot, let's say, contact name orders dot order, whatever you want, right? So orders, let's say orders dot order ID from what?
Customer.
From customers. Left join. Why I am left join? Why I am left joining? Because I want to see those records, huh, that are there in customer table but not there in orders. Give me a honest answer. Will there be any record in order without customer?
No, sir.
No.
Without customer order will not be there.
Like who has ordered? Ghost has ordered, right? So
Mm.
so there will be no ghost records, right? So left join what? Left join what?
Orders.
Orders. Then
Customer dot on.
on
Customer
customers dot
dot customer ID is equal to
Order.
orders
orders
dot order.
dot orders dot
Item.
customer
Order ID.
ID. Huh,
Customer.
customer ID. Because see, these are here every time it will be same, so don't get confused. Okay. So now you see alpha did that. So I have to do 500 even though then I have to cross check. So you can see wherever you will find null.
Sir, कैसे फाइंड आउट किए ये लेफ्ट में हम कर रहे हैं?
Here, last one is next.
कि कैसे जस्टिफ हाउ विल डिटेक्ट करेंगे कि ऑर्डर जो है सर वो लेफ्ट में है?
If you will take orders here and join
तो
customers, then you have to write right join, because we want to select all records from customers. So left join or right join will be according to that. And here you can see null. We just found that. See, this particular customer whose name is Paris or Mary Bertrand has never ordered anything. That's why null is given. And there will be one more customer. So if we arrange it, you can see this is Pisa and Paris.
आपने सर राइट कर दिया, लेफ्ट लेफ्ट भी ले सकते क्या?
Yes, like if you want to write right, just switch them, because now orders is on left, customers is on right. When you will do that,
नो
then
सर आई
also
एम
we will
आस्किंग
get the same result.
लेफ्ट, व्हाई आर टेकिंग सर राइट?
Where will we find all records, customers or orders?
अगर देखा जाए सेलेक्ट के सिंटैक्स में तो कस्टमर का ज़्यादा है, तो कस्टमर से ही फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं इस कस्टमर का कहाँ से ऑर्डर है।
Okay, this is not the question. Question is where will we find record of all customers, irrespective of any condition, irrespective of whether they have ordered or not. Where will we find record of all customers? Customer table or order ID?
ऑर्डर।
Customer.
Customer. सवाल समझो ना, हम कस्टमर का रिकॉर्ड कहाँ पाएंगे?
कस्टमर टेबल में।
तो तुम ऑर्डर क्यों बोल रहे हो? I'm saying where will we find record of all customers irrespective of whether they have ordered or not? उन्होंने ऑर्डर दिया है या नहीं दिया है, हमें सभी कस्टमर्स का रिकॉर्ड किस टेबल में मिलेगा?
कस्टमर टेबल में।
कस्टमर टेबल में. So that means this table should be either left join or right join to fetch all its record, because we just studied that if we have to find all records from the right table or all records from the left table, then we cannot use inner join. अगर हमें राइट टेबल या लेफ्ट टेबल में से सारे रिकॉर्ड उठाने हों तो हम इनर ज्वाइन का यूज नहीं कर सकते. इज इट ओके और नॉट?
यस सर।
So now it is established that we are either going to write left or we are either going to write right. Is it okay?
सर ओनली वी हैव डाउट ऑन दिस। एक्चुअली सर
हाँ.
हम कब ये लेफ्ट यूज करेंगे, कब राइट यूज करेंगे? आपने
My
प्रीवियस में।
condition, my, first understand what I'm saying. If we have to find out all records from a particular table, okay, irrespective of whether it has its record in the second table or not, we will either use left or use right. Is it clear or not? कि हमें
यस सर।
लेफ्ट या राइट में कोई एक यूज करना पड़ेगा, इनर नहीं कर सकते. इज दिस क्लियर?
जैसे एक टेबल से दूसरे टेबल को फाइंड आउट करना है सर।
नहीं नहीं, we have to, if we have to find out records of all the customers who have not ordered or ordered whatever, but we want to list all customers. So we have to put customer in either left or right. We cannot use inner join. Is this clear or not?
करना है तो ये इसका डेटा
We have to select either of them. Okay.
we can select it.
Now we have to show it from customers table, right? In this second example, we have to show it from customers table. Yes or no?
Yes.
So it's your decision. Either put customers on left or put customers on right. Where do you want to put?
Assume, we can assume, sir.
So assume anything. Where do you want to put?
Left side customer.
Left. Okay. So if you want to put on left, then write from customers. Okay. Because I just said whatever is left is with from. See, in this sequence, okay, customers is written on left or orders is written on left?
Customers.
Customers. We are writing from left to right, right? So customers is left, so you will left join orders. If customers was on right hand side, like customers was here, so orders will be here. So then you will write right join. Wherever that particular table is from where you want to select all records. If it is on right, then write right join. If it is on left, then write left join. Where is it right now? Left or right?
Join में सर जो आएगा वो उसी के हिसाब से डायरेक्शन चेंज होगी लाइक लेफ्ट एंड राइट.
Exactly.
Yes. Okay, understood.
Just write this line, okay, and leave this thing blank. Okay. Let's say
Yeah,
join.
how to come to a conclude like whether this table is a right table or left table?
For example, in this case of grades, if I have to select 1, 2, and 5 all, okay, this is a case where both table have some unique records. Yes or no?
Yes.
So consider anyone as left, as we did, other one as right. Will that, like, will we will be able to do that?
Yes. Good.
Next, if I ask you to show grades of all students, okay, then you have to write right join. Na? If I ask you a question like this, so show grades of all students, whether or not their name is given in the primary table or not. But this case will very rarely happen, rare, you know, because in most of the cases, your primary table will have all the records, but your secondary table will have only common records. Okay, like it is happening in case of customers and orders. Like customers can register, na? Customers can register. Like there many users will be on websites like Amazon or Flipkart that have registered themselves but have never bought a product. There may be a case, right? That they are just browsing things. There are many such websites where we register and just do window shopping on a website, right? We just browse things. But later, if we decide if we have to buy things, most of the times we also add something to cart, right? So that we can remember whenever we'll have money or whenever an offer will come, we will order that. So
Yes.
so there will be customers who have registered themselves. So this gives us that 91 customers are registered. But while analyzing orders, we found that only 89 distinct customers have given orders, but in total there are 91 customers. So there are still two such customers who have never ordered, and to find record of those customers, like it is very easy. Select, there are multiple ways to do that, but what we did, we apply we considered customers as a left table and orders as a right. So I'm just giving something from my end. When we are joining two tables, okay,
Mm.
put primary table on left hand side. By primary table I mean where you have the master records, right? Like in customers table we have all the records. So in the table where you have all the records, put that on left hand side, and the table that has more transactional nature. Orders has a more transactional rate nature, right?
Yes.
Isn't it one to many? One to many, right? Like
Mm.
customer and order are one to many, right? One customer can place many orders. So put one on the left hand side and many on the right hand side,
Okay.
right?
Mm.
So and apply left join. If every customer has ordered something, you will get your answer. If some customers are there who have not ordered something, then also you will get your answer. These are the two cases. Because order cannot be placed without a customer ID, right? I know this may be difficult to understand in beginning or partially clear at this moment. So watch this video once again. All of you know about Northwind database now very well. Try to apply these conditions which I have given to you. Okay. From your end, create a simple database like this. Like it can be student grades, it can be patient and bookings. Like many patients have registered themselves, but they have never booked an OPD session with a doctor. You can do anything, right? Or if you don't want to do, just go with Northwind. For inner joins, apply it on any table like customers and orders, products and suppliers, products and categories. For left join, apply it on customers and orders. Okay. And next, we will also learn about self join in the next session. Self join, or for self join, you can see it is important. Here you can see, sorry for the noise. So here you can see it has given reports to, and it reports to 2. What do you mean by reports to 2? So here it is referring to its own table. Okay, that 2 is Andrew Fuller. I will explain this. Don't worry about this. So we will also do self join. So joins is very important. This is giving you our concept, and this concept is very important for something like Power BI or even Tableau, or even when we are using Excel also, and related tables are there. So we'll see you in the next class.